I think it would go away if you just kissed me once, you know, because it wouldn't be like this obsession thing. What do you say?
So it's like an obsession thing?
You touch me and it goes away?
Kinda, yeah.
Why's that?
And the mystery's gone and